Under 20,000. That was a close call, Robin.
This'll teach that crook to be a litter bug. He should put trash in the proper waste container.
Yes.
But, gosh, now how do we get down? Holy stratosphere, if we were only birds.
That's it, Robin.
What?
We do have a chance. It seems to me that I read in the paper that the elusive and high-flying giant red-eyed hermit newthatch birds are migrating south for the winter.
Batman, look! Coming this way.
Robin, those bird calls that you were practicing this morning, do you have an elusive, high-flying, giant red-eyed hermit newthatch bird in your repertoire?
Holy Audubon, Batman. I didn't get to that species yet.
Couldn't you improvise? That bird, by nature, is a very hostile bird. If you can infuriate him, perhaps he'll attack the balloon.
I get it. One or two holes in the balloon, we float smoothly down to Earth. I'll sure try.
Good boy, Robin, it's working.
He did it, Batman!
Yes, he did it. He's flying off now. He's had enough hot air. Farewell, feathered friend!
We're dropping a lot faster than we went up.
The power of gravity, Robin.
Holy crack up! Talk about soft landings.
Yes, it was a good one.
Any idea where we are?
Judging from the terrain and the direction the wind carried us, I'd say upstate of Gotham City.
I'd say upstate from nowhere.
No, our luck seems to be holding out, old chum. Look, as if we ordered it specially. We can thank the taxpayer and Governor Stonefellow for this emergency public telephone.